Hello, and we're going to kind of go over a special part of step 13 as I'm starting to gather all the pieces together and get this ready to go for the actual video. One thing I wanted to talk about was some of you may know that with the Tamiya kits, this mantlet just isn't right, especially for the M2A2s. So in reality, what there is a large kind of drum piece in the real vehicle. The coaxial gun does stick out here as well, but what goes on over this is it's just a small narrow sleeve, if that makes any sense, right in here and here, so that the gun elevates. These parts right here don't elevate. And this slot right here in the outer armor, actually this inner piece behind it is also slotted all the way down so that the coaxial gun on that drum can rotate up and down inside of there. And I want to, and then also there's a piece of metal over here and a small piece of metal with some tarp here and another piece of metal here in reality. And the Tamiya kit doesn't capture this area very well. It also, the manual gunner's sight is attached here, and it should be attached on the, actually on here. And there should be another bar and piece right there, but we're not going to go into that. What I was thinking I could do real quick to make this better is to take this mantlet. What I'm planning on doing, and I'll videotape this and I'll see if I actually post this, is glue this on here and then cut these out right down the side where the armor piece is, hopefully not hitting the connector too hard, but doing that. Cut that piece out right there so then I have two triangles on each side and cutting this groove out right here. So then I can attach a smaller, I'm just going to do this backwards to give you the idea, but imagine this is just the narrow part of it. Attach this here so this can go up and down on its own. The two pieces on the side will stay motionless and the gun piece will go. But I thought you'd like to be part of that journey, and so what I'm going to do real quick right now, because if this works, then anybody can do this, is attach this right to the face of this, and it kind of seats itself right on there. Just fell right in. Now I'm going to want to glue this on really well everywhere. Because I'm going to need this to be rock solid when I start doing cuts. So all I've done is taken part B3 and added part E35 to it at this point. And then maybe in, I'm going to say 24 hours, I'll come back and I'll make these cuts and we'll see what's going on, if that works or not. And hopefully then you'll have kind of a quick remedy for at home for making this better. You'll have to do a little scratch building, and I might try and come up with some sort of 3D printed piece that would work for this. But anyways, regardless of that, let's see where this goes. So I'll see you for the next part of, I'm going to call this between 12 and 13 step.